Today I am going to discuss about the soybean genome browser, that is the Soyabase. Now these days the most commonly used database is the Soyabase for the soybean. It was created by the United States Department of Agriculture. It was first started in 1990 and now it is freely available to all the individuals and the organizations worldwide. It contains the most current genetic, physical and genomic sequence maps integrated with both qualitative and quantitative traits. It also contains the most recently completed the initial assembly of the genomic sequence of the cultivar, that is the Williams 82, and associated data mining tools. The genetic and sequence views of the soybean chromosome and the extensive data on the traits and phenotypes are extensively interlinked, which allows the entry to the database using almost any kind of available information, such as genetic map symbols, soybean gene names, or the phenotypic traits. This Soyabase is organized into mainly 4 broad sections. The first one is genetic, QTL and physical maps. The second is genome sequence and annotation. The third is analysis tools and data mining tools. The fourth one is data and community resources. First we will search the Soyabase on the Google. Then we will get the link of this database here. By clicking on this Soyabase, we will enter in the home page. Here many options we will get in the home page. We can see the Soyabase toolbox. First we will see how to perform the quick blast analysis in the Soyabase. First we have to paste the sequence in FASTA format in this box. Here we can also upload by the file selection here. Suppose if we are pasting the nucleic acid sequence, then first we have to select the blast in from here. And suppose we are selecting the protein sequence, then we have to change this one to blast P. We can also change the blast format, that is the NCBI blast report and the whole genome view. This whole genome view represents the total picture of all the 20 chromosome sequence. Then we will search here. Now we will see how to quickly pull up the genetic map in the Soyabase. For this one we can see this soybean breeders toolbox quick jump. Here we can select any linkage group. See here many linkage groups are given. Or we can also select the chromosome number. For the genome browser, here we will get the options. By clicking this genome browser, we will enter in this page. Suppose if we have any specific gene and we want to see all the details of the marker, QTL, etc. and we know that this gene is present in that specific chromosome number, then first we will collect the chromosome number here. All 20 chromosome number are given. Suppose I am selecting this chromosome number 3. Yeah. Then we know, suppose, and we already know the gene location. Then by simply putting here in this box the region, we will get the information. I am choosing this region. And we can also change the data source, and I am choosing this data source, the glycine max genome assembly version GlyMA WM82A1. Now fuse markers. Yeah, it is loading. It will take some time. Yeah, after clicking in this marker views, we will see all these. Yeah, we will see all these things. Here we are able to see these black vertical lines. These are the SNP marker in the specific gene location, and distance here are given in the Morgan. And by clicking any SNP which are in blue color, which is already characterized, we will get all the information related to this SNP. Suppose I am clicking this one, then we will get this all the information like that, what is the name, which type of marker, then what is the location. Then here we will get the 4 options. The first one is the all information in SoyaBase on this SNP. After clicking this one, we will get this page. Here we can see easily the locus type, then which organism we got this SNP, then what is the name of this SNP, then all the genetic map information for this one. There is no any genetic map information is available. Then genomic sequence information we can easily see here. Then the accession data we can also see here. Then again we will go back. Then in second option here, view marker on the sequence genetic map. Now it is loading. Here we can see easily in the left side the sequence order is given, and in the right side the genetic order is given. Here 2 types of markers we can see. The first one is the SNP and the second one is the SSR marker. Likewise here many symbols are used, and for each symbol some specific characters are given. Then we will go back. Then in the third option we will see the marker on the genetic map. Then we will see here all the genetic map. It will take some time. Yeah. Here we can see the different feature like PCR, RAPT, RFLP, SNP, SSR, and here we can see the different color is used, and each color denotes the different QTL. Here all the different colors is used for different QTL. We can see easily this color is for the oil, this QTL is in purple color which denotes the other seed, then this sky blue color is for protein, red is for reprod period, then this blue QTL is for yield. Likewise we can distinguish easily. Now we will go back. Here is the last option, that is the assembly sequence. By clicking here we will get all the information of the assembly sequence like the name, which type of marker is this, then the what is the source, what is the position, then the length, score. Likewise we will get all the information of this assembly sequence. Here, likewise, this SNP, many other SNP is already characterized, which is in blue color. We can easily see all the details of this specific marker in the specific region. Again, we will go back. Yeah. Here in this genome browser page, we can also download the list of the marker or the other sequence map features by the chromosome here. Then we can also download the gene sequence from the Williams 82 genomic sequence. Then the nomenclature about this genome. Everything we will get here. Then we can also search for the features and annotations here. Thank you.